Hey, Sarah, what's up?
Everything is okay, thanks.
Are you out for the morning walk?
Yes, I enjoy the morning walk on a sunny day.
Today, the weather is perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lovely sunny day.
Do you always go to seaside for the morning walk?
No, I don't. I go to the seaside when I have off from the office.
How many offs have you in a week?
I have two offs, Friday and Saturday.
Have you eaten your breakfast?
No, not yet.
What time do you have breakfast?
I eat my breakfast when I get back home.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I do. I like fruits as snacks.
What fruit do you like the most?
I like apples and bananas.
Can you tell me the nutritional benefits of these fruits?
Banana is rich in potassium and fiber. And apple is rich in vitamin C and various antioxidants.
What do you like, banana puree or banana shake?
I like both, but in summer I prefer banana shake.
Do you know how to drive a car?
Yes, I'm a good driver.
What type of vehicle do you like for traveling?
I enjoy traveling in cars rather than buses.
Have you ever been on a long drive?
Yes, I usually go on a long drive.
Where do you usually go for a long drive?
I drive to Jeddah. It's at 1,600 kilometers distance.
Why is Jeddah your picnic station?
First, it's a historic city, and second, I've had many friends there.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, I'm free tonight.
Would you like to go to a movie with me?
Of course, I would.
What time would you prefer, 7:30 or 9:30?
I think 9:30 would be perfect.
What movie would you like to see?
Any romantic movie will be okay.
I was calling you last night, but you didn't answer. Where were you?
Sorry for that. I was in house chores.
It's okay.
By the way, why were you calling me?
I wanted you to join me in my dinner. I was alone. I wanted to spend time together.
Where were your parents?
They went to attend a family gathering.
Why didn't you go with them?
I was feeling tired. I wanted to stay at home. Do you enjoy family gatherings?
Yes, I love to catch up with my cousins.
Are your cousins friendly?
Yes, all of them are very amicable and polite.
When do you meet up with your cousins?
We meet on Eid's days, wedding ceremonies, and so on.
Where do your family members celebrate their wedding ceremonies?
My grandparents have a big bungalow. All wedding ceremonies are celebrated there.
Has your elder brother got married?
No, not till now. My mama is searching a girl for him.
What type of dress do you want to wear on such occasions?
I like long dresses and bright colors for such occasions.
Have you any special dance for wedding ceremonies?
Yes, we have our own local dance and music.
Do you sing the songs in your native language?
Yes, local songs are sung in native language.
What is your native language?
Our native language is Pashto.
Do you know Arabic?
I understand, just a few sentences.
Then how do you communicate with Arabic-speaking peoples?
I communicate with them in English.
Can they speak English?
Many of them can speak English.
Are you late?
Yes, I am. I want to go home.
Your support is of great value for us. Please, like, comment, and subscribe. Could I ask your name?
Of course, My name is Elsa.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city in India.
What is India famous for?
India is famous for the Hollywood industry and Indian food.
Is your house near here?
Yeah, it's near here. You can see it from here.
In which building do you live?
I live in the next building.
What do you live in, flat or house?
I live in a flat with my parents.
Why do your parents prefer flat over a house?
We have a small family. We don't need a house.
How many rooms are there in your flat?
There are 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and 2 bathrooms.
Is there space for your toys and other playing accessories?
The living room is big enough. I also have my own bedroom. I usually keep my toys into my bedroom.
Have you pets in your home?
Yes, I have a pet cat.
Do you like monkeys as pets?
No, I'm scared of monkeys.
What's your favorite sport?
I like bicycle race.
Where do you ride your bicycle, and scatters?
My parents take me to the park when I want to ride my bicycle.
How many toys do you have?
I have a lot of toys. I have many dolls.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I do.
What video game do you play?
I play Fashion Dreamer.
Wow, fantastic. I also play Roblox. Would you like to come to my house?
I'll ask my parents for permission.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I read in grade 2.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why do you like English?
Because I want to go abroad for higher studies.
That's great. You have a good plan. Are you good at English?
Yes, I am.
What do you do on weekend?
Nothing much.
Do you stay at home?
No, we go to the seaside park.
What do you do in the park?
I take swing and seesaw. I ride my bicycle.
Do you play alone or have any friends there?
I haven't any friends there. Sometimes I play with other children. And sometimes Dad and I compete in bicycle race.
What time do you go to the park?
We go in the evening.
Do you eat your dinner out?
On weekends we eat out.
What do you eat in your dinner?
We eat mutton, karhai, and kunafa.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep around 10 p.m.
Do you read bedtime stories?
Yes, I do.
What is your most favorite story?
Alice in Wonder World is my favorite story. I read it every day at night.
Do you brush your teeth before going to bed?
I regularly brush my teeth before going to bed. My mom doesn't let me go to bed without brushing my teeth.
Brushing teeth before going to bed is a good habit. What time do you get up in the morning?
I don't get up very early. I get up around 9 a.m.
What time do you go to school?
I go in the evening shift. I go on to p.m.
What time do you come back home?
I come back on 6 p.m.
Do you come to this park every day?
I often come, but not every day.
Do you come alone?
No, I don't. My mother comes with me.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
No, I don't have brothers and sisters.
Would you like to be friends with me?
Sure, I would be glad to have you as my friend.
Your support is greatly valuable for me. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos.